Hi, welcome to back everyone. My channel Vijay Tutorial. It is very useful. YouTube is not a fun. It is your free university. You should learn any course, any software in the some trusted YouTube channels. Everybody knows. Once again, I repeat: if this video is useful, everyone. If you like, it is worthful this video, you can share and like and comment. Thanking. Let us go to the video. The best YouTube channel to learn the Java, Neso Academy, Python, Korea, Software, SQL, Joy Bull, MS SQL, Excel Fun, Max for AI, Simplify, Simple Learn, Blockchain, Telescope, and Machine Learning, Krishan Nayak, and Cybersecurity, Networking Chunk, Web Developer, Coding with Harry, Link, Linux, Programming Knowledge, Developing, Kunal Kushwaha, Computer Network, David Boomba, DSA, Jennings Lectures, CIIT. Please subscribe Vijay Tutorial Point. Please like, please share. Thank you once again. Take dude 8481 and your Vijay Tutorial Point. Thank you.